Place some cling film food wrap on a board. Lay out the chicken breast strips on the board. Cover with plastic film wrap. Use a meat mallet or rolling pin to pound until tender and thin. Sprinkle some salt and black pepper on both sides. In a plate, add 132 grams all-purpose flour. Add 1/2 teaspoons chili flakes, black pepper, and grated garlic. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Sprinkle in some oregano and mix. Crack 1 egg in a separate bowl. Add 250 milliliters milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon black pepper and salt. Mix sterilely. Coat the chicken in the egg mix. Next, coat with the flour mix. Dip in cold water. Repeat the coating process for better results. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Shallow fry on medium heat until both sides are golden brown. Remove from fire.